Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Cruiser Motorcycles channel. If you love the sound of a thundering engine, the gleaming chrome, and the thrill of freedom on the road, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 11 best new cruiser motorcycles ready for 2026. So be sure to stay tuned, because our adventure is just beginning. Let's go! 1. 2026 Honda XL 750 Transalp. The Honda XL 750 Transalp is one of the most balanced middleweight adventure motorcycles, powered by a 755cc parallel twin engine, producing around 91 horsepower. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox, slipper clutch, multiple riding modes, and Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. The bike also features a 5-inch TFT display, with smartphone connectivity, full LED lighting, and long travel suspension with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels for off-road capability. Weighing about 208 kilograms curb, it's designed for both urban riding and long-distance adventure. In the US, the 2025 model has an MSRP of $9,999. 2. 2025 BMW M1000R. The BMW M1000R is essentially a naked superbike, equipped with a 999cc inline-4 engine with BMW ShiftCam technology, producing an incredible 205 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. Designed for extreme performance, it includes winglets for added downforce, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and multiple riding modes. The chassis uses a lightweight aluminum bridge frame, M carbon wheels, and race-spec brakes. This machine accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest naked motorcycles on the market. Pricing starts at $27,690 in the US. Three. 2025 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. Husqvarna's Norden 901 Expedition builds on the popular Norden 901 platform with more off-road focused upgrades. It uses an 889cc parallel twin engine, delivering about 105 horsepower and 100 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a quick shifter. Key features include long-travel WPXPLOR suspension, a tall touring windscreen, skid plate, heated grips, and luggage mounts for adventure touring. Its 5-inch TFT display supports ride modes and cornering ABS, while a 19-liter fuel tank provides long range. The price is expected around $15,000, though final MSRP is yet to be confirmed. 4. 2025 CF Moto 800 MTX. The CF Moto 800 MTX is a Chinese-built adventure tourer with impressive value. Powered by a KTM-derived 799cc parallel twin, producing around 95 horsepower. It comes with ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, TFT display, and cornering ABS. Suspension is handled by KYB components, while the bike rides on 19-inch/17-inch wheels for versatile terrain handling. Luggage options, heated seats, and handguards make it touring-ready. CF Moto is known for competitive pricing, and the MTX is expected to launch around $12,000, making it a strong budget rival to European adventure bikes. 5. 2025 KTM 990 Duke R. The KTM 990 Duke R is the Austrian brand's latest high-performance naked bike, powered by a new 947cc parallel twin engine that produces around 123 horsepower. It features an updated chassis with a steel trellis frame, fully adjustable WP Apex suspension, and high-performance Brembo Stylema brakes. The electronic suite includes multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and launch control. With its sharp design and lightweight build, around 190 kg, the 990 Duke R offers exceptional agility and track-ready performance. Pricing has not been finalized, but is expected around $14,000. 6. 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R continues its legacy as one of the last true supersport bikes available today. It houses a 636cc inline-4 engine, making about 128 horsepower at high revs, mated to a 6-speed gearbox with quick-shifter assist. The ZX-6R features a Showa SFF BP front fork, adjustable rear suspension, and a chassis tuned for track agility. Rider aids include Kawasaki traction control, power modes, and a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. At 196 kilograms curb weight, it's nimble yet forgiving. The MSRP for 2025 is set at $11,399 in the US. '7. 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 remains one of the most accessible big twin cruisers in the lineup. It packs the Milwaukee 8 114 V twin engine, producing 94 horsepower and 119 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. With stripped-down bobber styling, mini-ape handlebars, and a low-slung frame, it's a modern cruiser with old-school charm. Standard features include LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and optional customization from Harley's accessory catalog. With a curb weight of 297 kilograms, it balances performance with relaxed ergonomics. In Europe, the MSRP is around €17,800. 8. 2025 Benelli Leoncino 800 Trail. The Benelli Leoncino 800 Trail is a Scrambler-styled twin-cylinder motorcycle powered by a 754cc parallel twin engine, making 76 horsepower and 67 newton-meters of torque. Built for both road and light off-road use, it features long-travel suspension, spoked wheels, 19-inch front, 17-inch rear, and a high-mounted exhaust. Other highlights include a TFT display, dual-channel ABS, and aggressive Italian styling. The trail variant gets knobby tires and longer suspension travel compared to the standard Leoncino. Pricing is expected to be around €10,000. 9. 2025 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. Triumph's Scrambler 1200 XE is a premium retro-style adventure scrambler powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, producing 90 horsepower and 110 newton-meters of torque. It features long-travel Olin suspension, Brembo brakes, and advanced rider aids, including multiple ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS. The bike also comes with a high-mounted exhaust, spoked wheels, and rugged styling. A 5-inch TFT display, keyless ignition, and optional connectivity round out the package. For 2025, the MSRP is $15,295 in the US. 10. 2025 Ducati Panigale V2S. The Ducati Panigale V2S is a lighter, more approachable superbike in Ducati's lineup. It's powered by a 955cc Super Quattro L-twin engine, producing 156 horsepower and 104 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and Ducati quickshift. The V2S variant adds Olin suspension and top-tier braking components, enhancing its track credentials. Electronics include a 6-axis IMU with cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and slide control. With a dry weight of 176 kilograms, it's agile yet stable at high speeds. The 2025 Panigale V2S carries a US MSRP of $18,995. 11. 2025 Yamaha MT X Y-AMT. The Yamaha MT-09 Y-AMT is the latest evolution of Yamaha's Naked Triple, powered by an 890cc inline 3, producing about 117 horsepower. It comes with a lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable suspension, and Brembo braking system. The standout feature is Yamaha's new automated manual transmission, Y-AMT, offering clutchless shifting with paddle controls. The bike also includes a 5-inch TFT dash, ride modes, traction control, and full LED lighting. With an expected MSRP of €11,399, it's one of the most exciting tech-forward nakeds entering 2026.